you talking to, JJ?
I miss you.
Hi, my name is Carrie Judson.
Hi, my name is Dominic Judson.
Hi, my name is Ryan Jensen.
And this is JJ Judson, Jacqueline. And my husband is U.S. Army Staff Sergeant Lyle Judson, and he is currently deployed with the U.S. Army Reserves. This is his 4th deployment in 9 years. This is Daddy on the stick. We call him Dots. The kids take him all over the place. Kisses. Oh! Daddy on the stick goes to the pool. He goes a lot of places with us, all over the place. Oh, so sweet. Oh, and a hug, a big hug for Daddy. Everything in our life kind of started out crazy and still is, as you can see. We ended up having to move our wedding up 5 weeks because of a change in deployment. He deployed to Iraq 2 weeks after we got married and was able to come home on R&R halfway through that that deployment, and that's when we got pregnant with our twins, Dominic and Alexander, identical twin boys. He got home and the twins were born perfectly healthy, very safely, little tiny 4-pounders. And then 5 days before the twins' first birthday, Alexander died. He had RSV, which is respiratory syncytial virus, and Dominic was in the hospital as well for 11 days. Then shortly after that, I got pregnant again with Ryan, who was somewhere, and hi. Lyle deployed to Afghanistan that time, shortly after I got pregnant, and he was gone for the birth of Ryan. My sister actually was in the OR with me for my C-section. And he got home, and then Lyle deployed again to Afghanistan when the boys were 4 years old and 2 years old. He got home from that one safe and sound, and then we got pregnant again, this last time with JJ, and he just left again. So here we go for deployment number 4. But one thing I do a lot of is educating parents, especially moms, about RSV, respiratory syncytial virus. Obviously, it's very near and dear to me. And it is the #1 reason why children 2 years old and younger are hospitalized in the United States. So I'm trying to get the word out about that amongst the insanity.
That's it.
That's crazy. Here we are. I don't even know what else to say.
He's awesome.